Hello good people, welcome to yet another episode on She's Apron. Today we are going to learn how to make cupcakes. I've never done this, so we are learning together. Also, I am terrified of baking. Things backfire just because, so yeah, let's do this. So yeah, straight into the recipe. Let's add our eggs. 2 or 3 eggs are okay, and then add your sugar. I will put the ingredients in the description box below so you can know the amounts that I used. We're then going to take our electric mixer and start whisking. We will whisk this away. We're supposed to whisk until it becomes foamy, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. I don't think a hand mixer can do this, unfortunately, because it's a lot of work. Yeah, then we went ahead to add our butter, or cooking oil, or whatever you have. I have a conversion table on my Instagram page. You can follow me for more great content in there. We will then go ahead to add our vanilla essence. I have a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to add 4 of them to make 1 teaspoon, and then I will continue mixing it in that mixture. We're then going to sieve our flour into the mix, gradually mixing it. We will not sieve our entire 2 cups together. We will just sieve, gradually mixing, so we can get an amazing consistency, and so we don't struggle with the end result. So we will mix, adding, mix, add. We're then going to introduce our baking powder, mixing it up with the flour, and then we are going to add milk. We are adding milk gradually with the flour. Yeah, so we are not yet done with our 2 cups of flour. We're still adding the cup of flour, kidogo milk, kidogo flour, kidogo milk, and we are doing great. Yeah, it's looking great. The consistency is amazing. I'm not struggling with the stirring, and yeah, you should not add milk and the flour together, by the way. You should not do that. It will not work, and since baking is always looking for an excuse to backfire, please don't be the one to give it the excuse. Yes, we are going to arrange our papers into the cupcake pan or whatever, and we're going to pour in our mixture. This was a struggle. I don't have the equipment to do this job, so I struggled quite a lot. And yeah, let's bake them. Ooh, guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Look at me. How did yours turn out? I would love to know. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey to learning how to make cupcakes. You can now call me Sugar Cupcakes. Oh, don't call me that. Just call me She's Apron. Follow me, subscribe, like my content, share with your friends, and let's meet on the next video. Ciao!